Hey guys, I will be doing a tutorial on my hair. So right now I'm just combing off my hair after I have shampooed it. I always comb my hair wet, then dry. All the white stuff is from that leave-in conditioner, and you don't have to worry about anything about if it's gonna dry up white or anything. And I thought I was gonna have some movement, but it said no ma'am. So now I'm using the Eco Style Pro Gel. I love this gel. I like the green one better than the other ones. I tried different ones, but it didn't really go out like how I wanted to go. So I just stayed with the green one. Now I'm just putting it all over my hair. Yeah, I need my eyebrows done. So after that, I will be trying to brush it up. I'll brush it up in a minute. I'm just messing with it to see where I want it to be placed and everything. So I'll be taking a piece of hair out, like sideburns, but really more than that, since I cut off a little bit of my sideburns. Don't ask me why, please don't. So now this is where I start brushing my hair. I have weird hair. I have such weird hair, but it's okay. So now I'm about to get the headband. I've wrapped it around my hair twice. But you're going to see in the video that I couldn't get it wrapped around twice with that type of headband, how it was like knotted up. So I'm going to take it off, then do it only one time. And I thought I could do this successful, but so now I'm just digging for the bobby pins and stuff. I usually just cut this part out, but I really forgot. I really forgot to do this step, so bear with me. I got my curtain from Target store. So now I'm just showing you the ponytail, but show you how I put it on or whatever. I'm really bad at this voiceovers type thingies. So bear with me guys. So I'm gonna put the first bobby pin at the front of my hair. Then the second one I will be putting at the back. And then on the sides. It have combs at the back, just FYI. They both have comb at the front and back, but I just use that to secure. You got to secure the ponytail, okay? So it won't be snatched off. Like how you secure the bag. Yeah, I also got a lot of questions like what grade is my hair? I really don't know. I consider my grade of it, my hair is 4D. That's not a such thing. I have curly hair, but it just super tight curls that you can barely tell it's a curl. That's that's my that's my ponytail right there. I mean that's my hair right there. My hair life, you don't know what gray hair you got. Then I'll puff it out or whatever. Do nothing else. Mess with the little sideburn slash not sideburn. Just go coil it, finger coil it, or whatever you want to call it. Then do the same thing to the other side. That little bead stuff, the bead looking thing that's in my hair, the little white stuff, that's still for my conditioner. So I will go show you the back after I put on my headband. But I've realized that it cut it off. You can mainly see the ponytail part rather than the back. So I'm sorry for that. I mean, you can see it a little bit, just a little bit, just a tad bit. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you guys. Bye.